can go to hell, girl. You better watch yourself. You can go to hell, girl. You better watch yourself. Rode us last Friday night. The party looked alright. Just as I stepped on in, I saw you look at him. Oh hell no, excuse me, what? Must be joking around. Best leave your pumps at home. I'm ready to throw down. You can go to hell, girl. You better watch yourself. I'm feeling feisty, alright. Friday night bitch fight. Saw you by the pool, rubbing up on his leg, telling he's looking fine, even though you know he's mine. So then I walk over, you act like nothing's up. Oh hey, are you with him? You know that, you dirty slut. You can go to hell, girl. You better watch yourself. I'm feeling feisty, alright. Friday night bitch fight. Maybe we can just talk about it. We really shouldn't resort to violence. I'm not the jealous type, but get your dirty hands off his thigh.